Convergent thinking is a problem-solving approach that focuses on finding a single, correct solution by applying logic, reasoning, and existing knowledge. It involves narrowing down options, analysing facts, and following a structured process to arrive at the best possible answer. This type of thinking is commonly used in standardised tests, scientific research, and decision-making processes that require accuracy and efficiency. Unlike creative or open-ended thinking, convergent thinking relies on rules, patterns, and established information to solve problems effectively. Now let's look at an example of convergent thinking in action. An example of convergent thinking is solving a math equation, where a student follows specific steps to arrive at the correct answer. Another example is a doctor diagnosing an illness by analysing symptoms, reviewing test results, and eliminating unlikely conditions to find the most accurate diagnosis. In business, managers use convergent thinking when making data-driven decisions, such as determining the most cost-effective marketing strategy based on past sales trends. These situations require logical analysis and a structured approach to find the most reliable solution. Now let's explore some benefits of convergent thinking. One benefit of convergent thinking is that it improves problem solving. By providing clear, structured methods for arriving at the correct answer. This approach ensures accuracy, making it particularly useful in fields that require precise and logical conclusions, such as science, engineering, and medicine. Another advantage is that convergent thinking enhances efficiency, as it helps individuals quickly evaluate information and eliminate unnecessary possibilities. Additionally, it supports critical thinking by encouraging people to use evidence and reasoning to justify their conclusions. These benefits make convergent thinking essential for tasks that require logical decision-making. Now let's examine some limitations of this approach. One limitation of convergent thinking is that it can discourage creativity and innovation, as it focuses on finding one correct answer rather than exploring multiple possibilities. This can be a drawback in fields that require flexible thinking, such as art, design, or entrepreneurship. Another challenge is that convergent thinking depends on existing knowledge and established methods, making it less effective for solving problems that require new or unconventional approaches. Additionally, this method may not work well in ambiguous situations where multiple solutions could be valid. While convergent thinking is useful for structured problem solving, it may not always be the best approach for open-ended challenges. Now let's compare convergent thinking with divergent thinking. While convergent thinking focuses on finding a single correct answer, divergent thinking involves generating multiple possible solutions to a problem. Divergent thinking encourages creativity, brainstorming, and exploring different perspectives, making it useful for innovation, artistic expression, and complex problem solving. For example, an engineer using convergent thinking would follow standard procedures to fix a machine, while one using divergent thinking might explore multiple new ways to improve its design. Both types of thinking are important, as convergent thinking ensures logical accuracy, while divergent thinking fosters creativity and adaptability.